The best way to apply our mascara would be to pump it into the tube twice to properly load the brush. Once it's been loaded, you can start on the top lashes and do a back and forth sweeping motion as you cover each individual lash. So again, we'll go back and forth and then swipe up and again. And then when you're ready, you can follow the same suit with the bottom lashes. As you'll see, our mascara is not only bold, but lengthening and will quickly give you the drama that you're trying to achieve with your lashes. And not to mention it's buildable. So this is one coat, but you could easily add 2 or 3. And just like that, you've finished your lashes.